Naghahanap ka ba ng high quality camera pero on a low budget? Tapos, meron pa tong noise cancelling. Then check this eMeet SmartCam C60E 4K. So, mga mi, inside the box, yung mismong webcam, syempre, meron tayong user manual, pero di nyo yan kailangan guys. Kasi this is a plug and play ready. And meron na siyang kasamang tripod and privacy cover. This is perfect for anyone working from home, especially kung lagi kang on cam or you record videos for clients. At kung tapos na yung meeting nyo mga mi, you can simply flip down the physical privacy cover for peace of mind. Plus, you can mount it sa mismong monitor nyo or even use the tripod if gusto mo ng flexible setup. At ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito mga mi is yung autofocus niya is on point. Kahit gumalaw ka or magpakita ng product sa camera, it instantly adjusts and keeps you sharp. At syempre guys, itetest natin yan. Let's go! Right now, ginagamit ko si A4 Tech. So, ayan, makikita nyo dyan, si A4 Tech yung gamit natin. Let's switch kay eMeet. Okay, so ito si eMeet guys. Talagang yung resolution niya mas maganda guys and mas wider yung coverage niya if napansin nyo. So guys, if you've been using the same old webcam for years, it's time to upgrade. So mga mi, check the comment section. Bye!